mo sa baba, doon tayo sa... Ano nga sabi ka?
Hello! Sabi.
Dali. May video pa na.
President Attorney Lenny Robredo, parents, family, partners, significant others, friends, medical residents and consultants, and most especially the OMMC Postgraduate Interns Batch of 2023-2024. I take great pride in welcoming you to this momentous occasion as we gather to celebrate the end of postgraduate internship. Postgraduate internship is the penultimate hurdle to a long journey that began almost 10 years ago. Congratulations to our dear PGIs. As they say, isang tumbling na lang and you would have reached your goal to become physicians.
Advocacy-centered organization through flagship poverty alleviation program that thrive on private-public partnerships. Angat Buhay, that means uplifting lives, brought much-needed intervention on education, health, nutrition, and food security, rural development, women empowerment, and housing and resettlement. She works in politics and was heavily inspired by her years as a human rights lawyer. After serving in government, she set up a nonprofit, Angat Pinas Incorporated, which now carries the Angat Buhay program. It strives to empower volunteers across the country in the collective mission to uplift Filipino lives. She has also been sharing her insights and experiences with academic institutions, think tanks, and different organizations in the Philippines and overseas. For the fall term of 2022, she joined the Harvard community as one of its Kennedy School's House Rape Leaders, where she provided perspective, particularly the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Maria Leonor Lenny Gerona Robredo.
Ang pangit yata ng picture. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Dr. Malaya Capulong, Chief of Clinic of Hospital ng Maynila Medical Center. All the department chairs and residents who are with us this afternoon, graduates, families, parents, significant others, guests, pasyente, mga mentors, at katuwang na doktor at nurses, mga hospital staff, at syempre bawat isa. Bahagi na ng inyong buhay ang pagbabalanse ng napakaraming bagay. May compensated, pushing many of our talented doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals to heed the call of greener pastures. When the pandemic hit our shores, we witnessed the cracks grow even wider. With lack of beds, brain drain, lopsided policies, resources running dry or being stolen, the country saw several surges and variants of the disease. Millions got sick and thousands died, including those that couldn't be admitted past the parking lot where they breathed their last.
Here together with us on stage is the Chief of Clinics, Attorney Malaya Capulong, the Chief President for the Department of Family and Community Medicine, Dr. June Michael Bullerin.
The certificate is hereby awarded to Attorney Maria Leonor G. Robredo for sharing her valuable insights as our keynote speaker. We are truly honored and grateful for your presence. Given this 31st of July 2024 during the postgraduate internship graduation ceremonies at the Metropolitan Theater.
Dr. Abigail Joseph.
Dr. Lagman Maria
Graduate sa
Dr. Love Dr. Mago Freeman M.
Ay, pwede kaplo ko. Akit yung kapatid mo.
Dr. Maliksi Ronald Lance M.
First and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our dear hospital administrator, our Chief of Clinics, Dr. Capulo, our department chairman, consultants, residents, and also, if dito pa si VP Lenny Boss, Attorney Lenny Robredo, my beloved batchmates and our dear guests. It is truly my honor to speak in front of you all to bring forth the message from our graduates. This internship year had been by far the most challenging year in our career, but it had been the most fulfilling yet. When I was approached to give the message from the graduates, I immediately thought of my batchmates who were all amazing and had persevered in the midst of the challenges we faced. I realized everything happened all at once.